In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply animations to all slides in PowerPoint. If you're looking to add a little flair and consistency to your presentation, you're in the right place. Applying animations across your entire slideshow can enhance its visual appeal and help keep your audience engaged. Let's dive in and get started with the process. First things first, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. Whether you're working on a new project or an existing one, the steps will be the same, so go ahead and launch the PowerPoint application. Next, navigate to the specific PowerPoint presentation that you'd like to work on. If it's a project that you've previously saved, simply open it from your list of saved documents. If you're starting from scratch, create a new presentation and add your slides as needed. Once you have your presentation open, direct your attention to the ribbon at the top and locate the Transitions tab. This tab is where all the magic happens when it comes to adding transitions between your slides. Click on it to reveal a variety of transition options. In the Transitions tab, you'll see a drop-down menu that provides different transition styles. There's quite an array of choices, from simple fades to more dynamic options like curtains or split effects. Feel free to explore the options and select the one that best suits the tone and style of your presentation. Whether you want something subtle or eye-catching, there's a transition for everyone. After you've chosen the transition you like, you'll want to apply it to all your slides to maintain consistency. Look for the timing section within the Transitions tab. Here you'll find an option labelled Apply to All. Click on this button and voila, your selected transition will be applied across your entire presentation. Remember, consistency is key in professional presentations. Using the same transition throughout helps your audience focus on the message rather than the spectacle. Plus, it saves you time from having to manually apply transitions to each slide individually. And there you have it, you've successfully applied animations to all slides in your PowerPoint presentation. Feel free to preview your slides to see how the transitions flow from one to the next. If you have any last minute changes or decide to mix and match transitions, you can always go back to the Transitions tab and adjust as necessary. Experiment with different transitions to see which best fits your presentation's mood and purpose. Remember that understated transitions can often be more effective than overly flashy ones depending on your audience. Thanks for following along. I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on mastering PowerPoint and other presentation tools. Until next time, happy presenting.